want to get everything down to a clean substrate, which is the decking or the wood, and make sure you've addressed any type of wood rot. If it's there, you want to make sure that it's replaced. With integrity, we want to make sure we're using good quality components, and that starts with a good ice and water barrier product that we typically install along the eaves, and then along or around any of the penetration points on a roof system, like a valley or where the pipes come through, around chimneys and sidewalls. And then we'll do a good quality synthetic underlayment on top of that. A starter strip that we use that's typically or almost always manufacturer recommended, that it goes around the entire perimeter. For us, that's because we want to make sure that the home or the roof system qualifies for the manufacturer's highest wind rating. And if we don't get them on the rakes, which is fairly uncommon, but we do it every time, the rakes are important because that helps qualify for that maximum wind warranty for the system that we put together. And then we want to use a good quality shingle and good quality ridge cap, where other companies may use different ridge cap products especially, what you want to make sure you're using ridge cap that's produced by the manufacturer that go along with the shingle. They're made to be bent over so that they last as long as the shingles do. And then you want to think about the exhaust component of a roof system, like ridge vent, or a lot of times what people see as turbines or static vents, the little box vents. But you want to replace those, and typically metal pre-painted are the best. Or a ridge vent system is ultimately the best way to do it. It requires covering those holes and doing some calculations to do it correctly, though. You'd want a professional to do that part. And then the ridge cap is really the final piece.